Hi, it's Friday again. It's Jo from Trimwell. Before we do anything else, I'm just going to quickly get on the scales. Just bear with me a sec. Okay.
11 stone 12.
Right, so that's another pound. So what's that? A stone and a pound, so that's 15 pounds I've lost now. But what I've done today is, I know I've been saying to you every week that as well as losing the weight, you also lose the inches. So although it's just over a stone that I've lost, today I've put on the pair of trousers that I very first got weighed in. If you look back on the video diary on week 1, I've got a brown jumper and a brown pair of trousers. So I've put the trousers on today just to show you the difference. So I hope you can see this. But these are the trousers that I actually wore on week 1, and if you check the video diary out you can see that, and that is, so although I've lost a stone, that's the actual inch loss as well that I've lost from week 1, so they are the pair of trousers. You can clearly see that I won't be able to wear them anymore. So like I said, as well as losing the weight, you do actually lose the inches as well. Alright, so again, we've been having loads, these last couple of weeks since sun's been shining, loads and loads more people logging onto our website, buying over the internet, and loads more great results. So don't forget the website address, www.trimwell, alright? And that's bye for me for now, and I'll speak to you again next week. Bye!